Right, afternoon everyone, or good evening should I say. I think it's nearly night time. Now I've got a French flower here, what they call a French flower. Don't ask me why, I don't know, because I've made dozens of them and things like them, but they do call them a French flower. So French shabby flower. So I'm going to share with you how that's done. Very easy, look stunning, put them on anything. I keep getting asked, oh, what would you use it for? You can put them on headbands, brooch it, make a brooch out of it. Just anything, bags, whatever you want to do with them. Now you take your circle, mine's about 2 inches wide, and these about 3 inch wide. They don't have to be perfectly round at all. Alright. You need a dab of glue on the inside just to hold that down. Don't tell me it's gone off again because I'm not happy. Yeah, dab that down. Bit of glue on there, and you need 4. So I just do 2 opposite and then 2 opposite again. Sorry, my glue guns, it keeps going off. I don't know why. Like I said, you don't need to have them rounded. But yeah, I just do it sometimes. So like that, and then like that, and there's your cone. I hope it doesn't go off altogether because I need another show bonder. If anybody can get hold of one for me, you're more than willing to pay for it, but I need another one. I could do with 2 to be honest, because I use them so much. And I don't know what's the matter with this one, but I think the wire's going in it for some reason, but it does get a bashing, I have to say. It gets a real good bashing. All my glue guns do. I use them all the time. Anyway, so we're going to do that. I'm just using a cotton fabric. Using a piece of felt here. And you just do that. So we've more or less evened them out. They don't have to be perfect. Then you take a doily, and I cut mine in half. So I need 2 of those. Wrong scissors feet. Fold them exactly the same. Bit of glue underneath. And then you put that in between. Now, I'm going to use my dobber because he's holding this doily and I'm not burning myself for nobody. Okay. Like that. Put that down. These are so easy, and you could use all your scraps up. You don't have to, you know, go delving into things that you might want to keep for another occasion. Use your scraps. You don't have to have doilies. You can use 2 different fabrics, whatever you want. It's completely up to you. You know, have a plain fabric and a fancy fabric. You need a little bit of lace, that's all. Oh, that's a bit odd, that bit. Yeah. Oh, what am I doing? This one for losing track. So that's the doily bit going on. And then you go over the doily using your cotton. Now, if you want to, you can cut these down a little bit. So they're not as, you know, tall as big as the ones underneath. Because you can move it in a bit. I just move it in. As long as you can see all layers. That should be fine. A bit crease them too. I'm not going to use them. We'll use this one. Oh, little dab of glue on there. Dab of glue there and there. Put that on there. Doesn't matter which way you fold them. You can do them alternate if you want. Doesn't matter at all. Oops, pull that up a bit, mate. That's it. And then we take one more like that. We just put in a dab on. That's a little bit too big. You need to bring it in a bit, and there's a reason for it, because when you're doing the next bit, the pearls. Now what I do, that's a string of pearls. I don't want that one. If I cut that, they'll go everywhere. Is that the ones? Yeah, just use all the oddments up, because I have plenty. So I'm doing 6, so I'll do a 6 and a 7. So that's 3, 6, 7 and another 3. So I take the longest one, which is the 7 pearl, and attach the 7th pearl in there like that, and then either side of that, that's why you've got a gap, you need to put in the 6, and it's just a nice combination for that. See, so I'll do that again. So we want 3, 6 and 7, 6, yeah, and 6. So put the 7 in first. Just put your dab of glue in, push that in, and then either side, so it can be there or there, it doesn't really matter as long as you can fit them in like that. Take all that off. Oops, I need to cut them again. 2, 4, 6, 7, 6 and 6. Again, put the 7. I put the 7 in first because it's you just have to lay the others at the side of it, and it won't move about or anything. Put one in there and one in there like that. That's it. And then we do the last one. 3, that's 7. You can put as many in as you want though, you know what I mean? It's completely up to you. Four, 6. There we go. Sorry, I hope you're seeing this. So 7 and 6 and 6 like that. There you go. Looks nice already, doesn't it? Now you want a little bit of lace. Now it's up to you how much lace you put on. You could do in fact I will do on this one, I think. Yeah, I'm going to do a flower on this one, not one that's too wide. I cut mine and I cut them at 1.5 inches. But no, we'll do a flower on this one. Why not? And stick that in the middle. So I'm just going to gather this. It's Nottingham lace. We do have plenty of this in the shop. I always make sure we have plenty of the Nottingham lace. Oops. We have it in pink, white and cream. Sometimes we have it in blue, but I'm needing to order some because I've run out of the blue one, I think. Although we've got the other sort in blue, very similar to this, just a little bit thicker lace. So yeah, you don't have to do these in sections, although I did on that one, and it looks nice. But you can do these however you want. like I say, a nice gather. And because this is a smaller flower, I'm probably doing about 12-inch. Sorry if you can hear my stomach. It's been rumbling all day. It's been fed. You know, but it's a bit of a rumble going off. And I had ham and mustard sandwiches for my dinner. I love old English mustard and proper cooked ham. You know, that, not that watery stuff, but proper thick cut ham. Oh, it was bloody gorgeous. Better than you get in shop, you know. Buy your own and do it yourself. That's what we do. But I really, really enjoyed it. Right, so I've got my flower. You go back to the beginning where we started, and then we gather them together. Let's move all that out of your way. Oh, gathering it pretty tight. And just do a couple of tacking stitches. Put my needle out of the way. Finger and thumb. Move it around so you're even in the ripples, ruffles, whatever you want to call them. Yeah. I think I'm going to have mine that way. Stop the glue on that. Right, and then I'm just going to pin this down. Oh yeah, that looks just as pretty. You can still put the leaves on. You know. Oh my God, my stomach. It's driving me mad. And then I've got this beauty. Oh, wait a minute. Where's it gone? Where did that go? There it is. Knew I had one done ready. So this is just a little doily that came from the same doily as that. I'm just going to use for the centre. And then I'm just going to put some glue on there. Pop that little centre on as well. They're gorgeous, them. They're all coming back in this shop, folks. They're all on order. We've not been able to get to the warehouse, so I've had to do it online. But yeah, whatever. Right, so then all I want to do is to do the leaves. Let's see if what difference it makes by doing the flower as a whole one to a individual petals. I'm sorry about my stomach. It is rumbling like buggery. I don't know why, like I say. And then one just there. Like that. That'll do. And the same on this side. So, let's see. There's not that much difference, is there? But they are cute. I think this one's flatter, where this one's built, the profile's built up more. You can add some little tufts here, that's what I was thinking of. And you could put a little bit of cord in or something like that. But there you go. A nice little French flower for you. One with a full flower and one without. And I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.